Our component is a one pole switch. Okay, that's good. One pole switch made by, check it out, it says Magic BTicino model M9001. See, by BTicino. Okay, quite good. Let's open it. Okay, that's easy. Okay, and just put it here. This is the metal strap which hold all of it. See? Okay. And this is the toggle switch. And it has a spring loaded that pushes this one. False. Let's put it back and slide it up so that we can see. Okay, this guy will push this one, and that's why it like that. If you can see it, let's check it out. Let's make it clear. See? This one pushes, and BTicino is very good. Why? If this will going to be dull or going to break, you can just use the other side. See? It's new again. So that's good. But it's not recommended to open it. Haha. You can remove this one. See? This one is just, it's old, it's been used. Oh, this one is used for, again, this one. Do you have a guess? Well, if you guess a neon light, you're right. See, just break this and put a neon light inside and put a resistor in it. We're going to do that maybe next video. It's dark so that the light will not light up the side, but it's just going to light up on the middle, which is this one. Okay, just remove this one. It's just a plastic, and we can remove this one. This is the contact which this one meets, like that. See? Oh, let's make it, is it blurred? Yeah, okay. So this small tip of contact, this one and that one will meet like that, and we can remove this one. Just push it. Let's push it. Okay, it falls. Okay, see, this is where, let's check it out again. Okay, this is where it swing. That's why if you put this back, and put it here, this one goes there. See, that's why it has a contact from here to there. Your wire again goes here. See, goes there. 2 wires. You put it there. 2 wires. 1, 2. 2 wires. The left or the right. Okay. Then this one is clean. So clean. Looks like it not been used. I think this one is. Let's check. Nope, it's not been used. It's not yet carbonized. Doesn't have spark or anything. So it's just an old stock maybe. Then we put it back. Oh, this one, the screw. Let's check the screw. If you remove it all the way, see, it can be removed all the way. Well, and this one will fall. Well, I think you can put it back easily. Let's check it out. Let's first we put back the screw like that, because sometimes we screw some wires and we just pull it all the way. Is this where it goes? Again? Yeah, it is. Yep, that is. See? That's the wire entry, and sometimes you remove all of it like that. Ooh. Anyway, it doesn't fall even you remove it, because it has it locks the screw, the nut, the bolt inside. So even you remove it, you can just flip it like that and it goes back. Easy. Now, this is the contact. It's also clean. Look at that. Not been used. Just tighten it. Then put it back. Ooh, it's not aligned. You should align it. Anyway, if it's aligned, it's quite fast to install it. Install it back. Then this one, the contact. Don't forget where it goes. What they do, I think they put some lubricant here to make it slide much more easy, because when I open it I feel some slimy stuff. Okay, then put it back like that. See? Choo! Okay, then put this on. Okay, it's good, quite good. And this one, just make sure it's goes to its proper place. Okay, okay, that's quite good. See? Good. Good.